Hi viewers, welcome to Young Maths Academy. Today our class is on logarithm of numbers greater than 1. And as you can see on the board, we have this question to tackle. We have that evaluate cube roots of 55.06 multiplied by 1.49 by 6532, 6532. Okay, let's do this. We have solution. To do this, we know that we are going to make use of our logarithmic table and our anti-logarithm table. Okay, and we quickly write this. We have cube root of 55.06 by 1.49 by 6532. Okay, so we have this to be number logarithm this way. Okay, I have the value here 55.06. I'll write that by I have 1.49, I have 6532, just this way. Okay, so how do we do this? We quickly convert this to standard form. If I bring the point, the decimal point, one time backward, I will have that to be 5.506 times 10 raised to the power of 1. So that implies that we have this to be 1 point. So we'll check 55 under 0 difference 6. So our 55 under 0 difference 6. Now for figure table, we have that to be 7409. 7409. Okay, so likewise here we have 1.49, and this simply means that 1.49 simply means that I have 1.49 by 10 raised to the power of 0. So means our characteristics here is 0. So I have this to be 0 points. Now what we do is to check 14 under 9. So 14 under 9, we check that in our 4-figure table, and we have that to be 1700. Okay, so likewise this, I have 6532. Simply means I have 6532.0. So if I bring this point backward, I'm bringing it 1, 2, 3. Means I have 6.532 times 10 raised to the power of 3. And that simply says that our characteristics is 3 points. So now we check 65 under 3 difference 2 in our 4-figure table, in our logarithmic table. And checking 65 under 3 difference 2, we have that to be 8150. 8150. So 65 under 3 difference 2, we have that to be 8150. Okay, so we can see that this is multiplication, this by this by this, and according to the rule of logarithm, when we are multiplying that, we are to add up. So we are adding this whole thing up. We add. So 9 plus 0 plus 0, that is 9. Sorry, I have that to be 9. 0 plus 0 plus 5, I have this to be 5. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 7, that's 12. I have that to be 1. We bring 1 here. So this is 8 plus 8. That's 8 plus 8, that's 16 plus 1, 17. That's 7. We have 1. 3 plus 2, that's 5. So we have that to be 5.7259. So very good. So this is what we have there. So simply means that what we are going to compute now, don't forget we have this to the power cube root of these values, and cube root of these values is still telling us that that simply means we are taking 55.06 by 1.49 by 6532 all to the power of 1/3. So, and when we bring that down according to the law of logarithm, when we have log x to the 1/n, we know that simply means 1/n log x, and that's the same thing as log x/n. So that simply means that we'll be dividing this value by 3. Okay, so that we can do that here. So number log, okay, 55.06 by 1.49 by 5 by 6532 all to 1/3. That simply means I'm saying 5.7259 divided by 3, and we have this. So to make this easy, this can be splitted as 5 plus 0.7259. I can write that as this, and divided by 3. So I will need a factor for this so that 3 can easily divide the number there. So I will add 1 and minus 1 to both sides. So adding 1 and minus 1 to both sides means that I have 5 plus 1 plus minus 1 plus 0.7259. I have not changed anything because 1 minus 1 is 0 divided by 3. Okay, so this gives 6 plus minus 1 plus that. So we are to punch this in our calculator, and minus 1 plus 0.7259, and we have that as minus 0.2759, minus 0.2741 rather, 41. Okay, this is what we have divided by 3. So that here we can then divide by 3. When we divide, we start from the left hand side. 6 divided by 3 will give us 2. So I have 2 plus, then we have to divide this. Dividing this, you have this to be minus 0.0, minus 0.09, minus 0.09136. So we have that 137 to say 1, 2, 3, 4 to 4 decimal places. 1, 2, 3, 4, 137. Yes. Okay. So this to 5 decimal places. So then this is same thing as 2 minus 0.09137. So we subtract that so that we have that to be, I'll have to rub this off here. We have number and logarithm. So when we subtract this in our calculator, we have that to be 1.9086. Yes, 1.9086 that way. So this is the result. This is our anti-logarithm. This is our logarithmic value for 55.06 by 1.49 by 6532. So we are to take the antilog of this value. So we take the antilog of this. Antilog. So means we have number, antilogarithm of that. So we have 1 point. We have this to be 1.9086. So we say we check 90 under 8 difference 6 in our 4-figure table. 90 under 8 difference 6, we have that to be 8102, 8102. So we have 8102. So this, we have 1 point. When we have 1 point, we add 1 to it so that we move the decimal point twice. If we have 2 points, we add 1 to it to move the decimal point 3 times. So it means I'll move 2 times 1, 2. Means I have 81.02. So when we punch this value in our calculator, we are to get this 81.02. So this is what I have for you for today.